OptionX is an intuitive trading interface that combines a static price ladder with single-click order entry. Traders can quickly and confidently place orders even as markets change rapidly. In this video, we will take a tour of the OptionX interface and learn how to place orders. OptionX is a broker-neutral platform. That means you can trade from your choice of broker. Once you have logged into OptionX platform, subscribe for a plan, and go to more options to log in with your broker of choice. Now let's start with search bar at the top left corner. It can be used to search any instrument, open price ladder, open interactive chart, and add the instrument to the watch list. The OptionX price ladder widget displays market depth and activity along a static price ladder. Bid quantities are displayed in the green bids column, and ask quantities are displayed in the red ask column. As the market changes, bids and offers move up and down the static display of prices. Each trade is reflected in the last traded quantity or LTQ column. When we launch price ladder, OptionX provides a blue center bar at the current market price as a visual reference. As bids and offers move up and down the price axis, we can easily visualize market movement. To recenter the price ladder and reset the center bar, double-click anywhere inside the price column. Additional market data is displayed at the top of the widget, and net position and P&L is shown in the order pane, with the option to exit all positions. Now let's place some orders using OptionX price ladder. The order pane provides you quick access to order settings and parameters. At the top of the pane, you can set product type, normal or MIS. Normal orders can be held overnight, while MIS orders are purely intraday orders. From these drop-downs for underlying, expiry, strike and option type, traders can easily change option instrument by pressing enter. Apart from single order type, which can be both a plain limit order or a stop-loss limit order, OptionX also supports advanced OCO or one cancels other order type, which is popularly known as bracket order also. In OCO order, traders can provide target and stop loss, in both points and percentages. Moving ahead, quantity can be set using the quantity buttons or typing in the quantity box, and it will automatically round down to nearest lot multiple, so you don't have to remember different lot multiples, for different stock and index options. Also, you don't have to worry about quantity freeze limit, as the orders will be split automatically. To place an order using these settings, all you need to do is click in the bids column to place a buy order or the asks column to place a sell order. Click in the cell that corresponds to your desired price, and an order is quickly sent into the market. Now let's understand OCO orders. For a trader it is crucial to keep losses in control. OCO orders allows traders to place entry, target and stop loss orders in just one click, and when one of target or SL is triggered, the other leg is cancelled automatically. To place an OCO order, provide target and SL points, select order type for entry leg and place order on ladder. Now let's understand two different ways to place a stop-loss order. You can either select SL order type from the panel, or you can simply place SL order by pressing and holding Shift on your keyboard, and click at a price above bid, for buy SL order, or click at a price below ask, for sell SL order. If you want to place additional orders of the set quantity, you can rapidly send multiple orders at various price levels on either side of the market. Since the price column remains stationary, you can place orders with a greater degree of accuracy and confidence. With OptionX, we can easily modify orders by clicking on the open working order and dragging and dropping to the desired price. To quickly cancel open orders at a price, simply hover over the order and left-click on the order where you see Cancel option. You can also use Cancel All button to cancel all open orders in this instrument. Buy and Sell button will cancel all buy and sell orders respectively. There are buttons on the order pane to conveniently execute these tasks. Buy Market and Sell Market buttons are used to execute orders at market price. Traders can also slice market orders by assigning quantity slice. For example, an order with 1000 quantity and 200 slice, 5 market orders shall be placed with 200 quantity each. Tick size is used to set the values at the price column in ladder. Lower tick size is recommended for lower value options, generally during expiry, and tick size of 1 or higher is recommended for options, with price higher than 50. You can open more ladders from the search bar. Many traders like to place multiple ladders side by side, so that they can see relative price movement for multiple contracts. The visual display gives you a sense of how prices for different contracts have performed relative to each other. For contracts that we are simply monitoring, we have the option to hide the order pane. Tables at the bottom show all open positions, open orders and executed orders. Exit All button in position table works like a kill switch, and traders use to exit all position, across all instruments in one click. Similarly, Cancel All button in open order table, is used to cancel all orders across all instruments in one click. The OptionX platform comes with several usability improvements. You can open chart from charts icons available at appropriate places, and navigate with ease by moving cursor horizontally, and also scrolling up and down to navigate vertically. As you can see, the OptionX with static price ladder and single-click order entry offers unsurpassed speed, accuracy, and ease of use. For more information, visit our website at optionx.trade.